Is it dark? It's dark. It ain't gonna matter. Just you gotta do your subject. It's dark. Ain't nobody see you, girl. Brittany.
Brittany, go.
What you want to know? I'll tell you a story. Long time ago when I was about 10, me and Mama went fishing. Yep, we used to go fishing. We didn't have no food stamps back then. We had to go fishing. We had to find everything we had. We had to go hunt. We used to get raccoons. Yep, raccoons. They're so good though. Put a little bit of hot sauce on them. Cook them in the oven for about 10 minutes on 50. No, 500. And they taste like chicken. It was so good. But anyway, back to the recent days. Today, I got kicked out of my own hotel. My own hotel. Can you believe that? They said I didn't pay. I'm damn, I paid $587 kicked me out of my hotel. Oh, got escorted too. They chased me down. They arrested me. I tried to get a drink, and he put me in handcuffs for getting Dr. Pepper. I didn't know it was illegal, but I guess in Florida, getting Dr. Pepper out of business is illegal. Then I went to this cabin, you know, this cabin across the street with 10 full roofs. God, if I would have burnt something up, if I would have lit a cigarette, we would have died. But anyway, I